Children without good fathers experience the worst things in life. Because without their protection, sobrang daming masasamang bagay na nangyari sa aming magkapatid. And until now, my brother hasn't recovered from what we experienced when we were younger. I'm not sure I have either. We were exposed to people doing drugs, adult behaviors children aren't supposed to see. Dahil kasi mahirap yung buhay dito sa Pinas, nag-abroad yung nanay namin. Kaya nga, medyo contradicting when people say na, nag-abroad, masarap yung buhay, maginhawa or whatever. Naiintindihan ko yun, pero at the same time, bakit ba nag-abroad? Bakit ba umalis? Kasi nga, mahirap yung buhay dito. And sino ba yung gugustuhin na lumayo sa mga anak, sa mga mahal sa buhay kung hindi na-experience yung hirap?